If you don't have an SSN but you need a US tax ID to run your business, open a store, or get paid on platforms like Stripe or PayPal, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your ITIN today, step by step. Go to the ITIN.com. This platform lets you apply for your ITIN or even an LLC directly online from Nigeria or anywhere else. Scroll down and you'll see the ITIN application section, priced at $348. Enter your full name exactly as you want it on your ITIN. Once your name is entered, proceed to checkout. Here's where the real magic happens. This is money. This is where you save money. Scroll down to Have a Couple code and click on a promo code box. This is where you type in my code to get your discount immediately. Type in Nupeflavor TV 50. That's NUPEFLAVER TV 50. Then tap Apply. And just like that, $50 comes off instantly. Your total drops from $348 down to $298. Next, scroll down to Information and enter your email address. This is where your ITIN updates and documents will be sent. Then fill in your billing address, first name, last name, street address, country, zip code, city, and phone number. Remember address, not related to your actual ITIN application.
Now scroll down to Payments. All transactions are secure and encrypted. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once everything is filled in, tap Complete Order. Your total is now $298 thanks to the promo code. Their team, backed by IRS authorized certified acceptance agents, handles your application from here. Delivery typically takes a few weeks. So that's it. Visit the ITIN.com, use my code NUPFLAVID50 for $50 off, and get your ITIN sorted without stress. Share this with anyone who needs it, and see you in my next one. Bye!